Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm about to show you how you can view your story archive in Facebook Lite. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first of all, before getting started, make sure to check your internet connection. For the delay, let us get started. First of all, open up your Facebook Lite and also make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you open up your Facebook Lite, this is what the interface is going to look like. So to view your story archive in Facebook Lite and Facebook is similar. So in order to view story archive, all you have to do is tap on your profile icon. Over here you'll have to tap on the three dot icon in the top right corner. Once you do that, right at the bottom there's a drop down menu. From there you'll have to tap on archive. After you tap on archive, there are two different options, that is story archive as well as recycle bin. Now you'll have to tap on story archive. Next page you have all your archive story. Now all you have to do is, in order to view them, just tap on it. So this is how you can view your story archive in Facebook Lite. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.